connection failure, error, received HTTP 403 while downloading, close quote. This means the patch server rejected the request. HTTP 403 equals forbidden, usually caused by corrupted patch data, wrong permissions, or network blocks. Here's a complete fix solution. #fix path of exile 2 constant download issues /HTTP 403 error. 1. Run launcher as administrator. Right-click the path of exile 2 launcher, run as administrator. Prevents permission issues when writing new patch files. Patch 2. Clear patch temp files. Go to the game's installation folder. Find files named like content.ggpk.temp or incomplete downloads. Delete them. Relaunch the game. It will force a fresh patch download. #3. Switch to TCP download mode. Right-click Game Shortcut Properties. Add this to the end of target. You can see the code in our conversation history. Save and restart. Helps if patcher fails under UDP. 4. Check DNS and firewall. Change DNS to Google DNS. Preferred 8.8.88, alternate 8.8.4.4. Add pathofexile.exe and launcher.exe to firewall antivirus exceptions. 5. Try a different gateway. In the launcher, if server gateway options exist, switch to another, e.g. US-EU. Some patch mirrors may block requests, leading to 403 errors. 6. Flush network config, open command prompt admin, and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC and try patching again. 7. Disable VPN proxy. If using VPN proxy, turn it off. Some patch servers reject those connections. If you're not using one, try connecting via free VPN temporarily to bypass regional server blocks. 8. Reinstall launcher, last resort. Uninstall Path of Exile 2 launcher. Manually delete leftover files in install directory. Download the latest launcher and reinstall. Pro tip, this issue often spikes after new patch releases, server overload. If the fixes don't work immediately, wait 15 to 20 minutes and retry, since servers sometimes block requests during heavy load.